What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new, thank you for joining me. So today's video, I am going to show you how I achieved this sleek, cute, neat bun, and I only used one styler. Well, maybe I cheated a little, maybe like 1.5. Anyway, to see what I use and how I got this look, keep watching. So for those of you who don't know, I am a brand ambassador for Shay Moisture, and in no way, shape, or form do I ever promote or share anything that I don't honestly love. So you guys can be sure that nothing that I say is just for the sake of $1 or anything of that sort. So I'm going to share with you the 4 products that I got in my surprise box. The first one is the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Pre-Shampoo Scalp Scrub. I've never seen this, so this is new. It has tea tree oil and willow bark, and it's supposed to exfoliate and soothe dry, oily scalp. This looks pretty good. It has little bristles. And this is what it looks like. So that's that. I'm going to use that. And then the shampoo that goes with it is the Deep Cleansing Shampoo, same ingredients. What I love about these products, no sulfates, parabens, mineral oil, animal testing, petroleum, all clean ingredients, organic, fair trade, and it is a Black-owned company, which I love to support. So that's the second item. Third, we have this sugarcane extract and meadow foam seed silicone-free miracle mask with a marshmallow root. It's for all hair types. Smells cool. It has like a jelly-like consistency. I don't know if you guys can tell. But I will be using this hair mask. And then I'm going to style with just this one item right here. This is the silicone-free Miracle Styler leave-in treatment. So this is the styler that I'm going to use. And yeah, keep watching if you want to see the steps. And that's it. So here I am starting off with maybe day 5, day 6 hair. I've had it in a bun for quite a while, so I'm just taking it out. So I have water in a spray bottle, and now I'm just applying it to the roots of my hair just to prep it and get it moist for the first product. So I'll be applying the pre-shampoo scalp scrub to my scalp. This is the consistency, not too thick. And then I'll just use the bristles just to like get it circulating. And I'll do this all throughout my hair. This is actually pretty therapeutic and calming. You see me over here with my eyes closed. So I'm going to leave this on for up to 5 minutes and just let it sit for a bit. Massaging the scalp, get the circulation going. And then I'm going to follow up with the Deep Cleansing Shampoo. So after rinsing my hair, I'm just going to apply this, mostly focusing on the scalp. I try to just clean the scalp because that's where all the like oils and buildup occurs, and I save the ends for when I rinse the products out. It'll kind of go through the ends and cleanse that a bit, but I don't focus on cleansing my ends as I don't want to strip away any natural oils. Next is the silicone-free Miracle Mask. I'll be applying this all over my hair. So what I usually do is break my hair up into 4 sections and then just apply it one by one. I don't use any combs or any kind of brushes or anything to detangle. I just simply use my fingers, as I find out that that's the most gentle way and I can still get the product fully dispersed throughout my hair. So now I'm just going to gather all of the hair into a high bun and then throw on a plastic cap. I always add extra conditioner to the ends and the middle portion of my hair since it's a little more coarse and dry. And then I pin it up and sit under the dryer for 20 minutes. And lastly, I am going to be using the amazing leave-in treatment. I'm going to apply this everywhere from root to ends. The deep conditioner did such an amazing job. Like, look at this curl definition. My hair is so moisturized. So now I'm brushing all of the hair up into a high ponytail, getting everything nice and smooth. And then I'm going to make a nice tight ponytail. And then create a bun with the ends. Once I secure it with a bobby pin, I'm all set, and then I will just head to bed and let it dry a little bit. So this is the final product. After I made the ponytail, I let my hair dry overnight. The bun is still a little wet, which I don't mind, but this is how it came out. I must say I did add a little bit of curl paste in my hair just to smoothen it out a little bit because I slept without a scarf, just a silk pillowcase. But it looks pretty good. It's moisturized, my waves are popping, the bun's nice. All of this with just a one styler. Boom! I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or just want to pop by to say hello, feel free to leave me a comment. If you've tried any of these products and you love them, please share. And also, if you guys have a YouTube channel or anything that you want to promote just so I can get to know you all better, feel free to link that in the comments. And until next time, bye.